Here we are near downtown Indianapolis at 3902 Carrollton Avenue. This is our newest listing. I want to take you on a tour of this completely renovated property. Come on, let's go. Here we are in our kitchen area. As you can tell, a lot of updates throughout this property. In here we have new appliances, new flooring, new cabinetry. I mean, look at the lighting, it's just beautiful. I want you to check out the rest of the property. Here we are at the end of our tour. We're outside, nice patio, closed-in space. It has its own garage. If you have any questions about this property, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Landon Bushing. I'm your local listing expert. My contact phone number is 260-573-6316. I hope you make it a great day.